GBM Works is on a mission to accelerate the energy transition. To support this mission, we are working on the next generation of the Vibrojet, the Flex system. How does it work? In Vibrojet Flex, the monopiles are equipped onshore with a fixed Jethead and retrievable flexible hoses with a male hot stab. The Vibrohammer hosts female hot stab receptacles in the lower part. The inlet feedline hoses are bundled together with the Vibrohammer hydraulic connections, and the feedline pump system is on deck. The complete feedline equipment is reused throughout the installation campaign. The messenger line on the male hot stab and the winch wire on the Vibrohammer frame are connected by an operator on deck. While the Vibrohammer approaches the monopile, the connection is performed, enabling the fluid dynamic path. The Vibrohammer appends the monopile, and the installation is ready to go. The jetting system is powered. The seabed penetration continues, and then the Vibrohammer is activated. The operator performs the jetting process in a controlled way, balancing flow and pressure. If necessary, controlled jetting is extended under the toe of the monopile while prioritizing bearing capacity. This technique allows for cost-effectively reaching penetration depth. The installation is now completed. The hoses are disconnected from the Jethead and retrieved on deck through the Vibrohammer, being lifted and unclamped from the monopile. The hoses are disconnected from the female receptacles of the Vibrohammer and stored on a reel on deck. Submersible pumps are retrieved, and the vessel can sail to the next installation point. With the flexible design, the same components can be reused for the installation of several monopiles, lowering the cost of installation. GBM Works. Sustainable, silent installation techniques. Contact us to be part of the next generation of Vibrojet.